Welcome to 222 South Lagoon Lane in Ocean Beach, Unit 2, New Jersey. This is a video tour to see what your vacation could be like. That's how you can reach the owner if you're interested in more information. There's an outdoor grill. Cars park inside that white line. It's looking north towards the lagoon side. And welcome to the kitchen and dining area. A dining table looking out at the lagoon. Refrigerator, kitchen, living room. There's a coffee pot, dishwasher, small stove, microwave. The kitchen window looks out at the grill and out by the parking area. Beside the kitchen is a small bathroom right in here. Dining area, seating area, fan, air conditioning. You don't often need that, but once in a while it comes in handy. Beautiful view out the front of the house, looking west over the bay. There's a color television, cable, DVD player. Upstairs above the living room is 2 bedrooms. The rear bedroom is a ceiling fan and air conditioner. 2 beds on this side with a pull-out trundle. This window looks out at the parking area by the road. This side of the bedroom there's a color television, a closet, and these 2 windows look towards the lagoon. And when the windows are open, there's a wonderful bay breeze that comes through here to keep it cool. The front bedroom has a beautiful view and a bunk bed with a double, or is it a queen on the bottom, enough for 2 people, and a single on the top. An amazing view west over Barnegat Bay. Right out there is where the sun sets every evening around 7 p.m.-ish. It's beautiful. And there's a fan. And this window looks south towards La Valette. This is quite a view. Moving right along. These are the stairs. The skylight over the stairs. That's the front of the house with the bay. Moving right along here. There's a covered part of the patio with a picnic table, so you can stay in the shade or out in the rain when the weather's foul. There's a bathroom with a shower tub, toilet and sink. The rear of the house, this back room here, has a washer and a dryer, which is really handy at the beach. This back door looks towards the road where the parking is. Okay. And then there's this front bedroom here with a queen-size bed and a big closet and an air conditioner and cable TV. And there you have it. And I'll show you the outside as well. This is coming out the back door. This is where we began. Coming around the side here. Place to hose off. Clothesline to dry your towels when you come back from the ocean or you're swimming in the bay. It's a magnificent view. And this is the front of the house. enclosed part of the patio. There's a few chairs. You ought to see the sunset at 7 p.m. It's amazing. And then this is the lagoon side of the house. This is looking east towards the ocean. The ocean's about 2 blocks straight ahead. I'd say it's about a half-a-mile walk. It's 2 long blocks. Again, this is where we began with the patio grill. And this is how you can contact the owner if you'd like more information. Thank you for considering 222 South Lagoon Lane for your vacation needs. Take care now.